So if we click in the top right here, we can select limit order, and this will actually show us the current bid price and the ask price for Microsoft. So right now it's $453.24 as the bid and $453.32 as the ask. So that 8-cent difference between the two is referred to as the spread. And if you were to place a market order, the price would fall between those two numbers. But let's say, for example, that you wanted to buy one whole share of Microsoft, but you wanted to specify the exact price that you were going to pay. If you wanted to pay exactly $453 and no more for Microsoft stock, you could set your limit price at $453, and it would only fill that order if that specified price was met, and you can do the same exact thing on the sell side. Now, limit orders are not guaranteed to execute because there's no guarantee that Microsoft will hit exactly $453 a share, but this is helpful for those who are looking to specify exact prices for order execution. In addition, if you decide to trade stocks or ETFs in the Robinhood 24-hour market, which we're going to talk about later, you are only able to use limit orders during the after hours, so it is important to be aware of how these work.